If you're watching this video, that means that you don't have an email account, and I am going to show you how to create one. First thing you need to do is you need to go down here where you see that circle with all the colors. You click on it and you will get this browser right here. Now in here you are going to type the following: www.gmail.com. You're going to press enter, and then I already have a couple of emails, but you're going to create right here where it says use another account because you're going to create a new one. Click there and it's going to tell you need to sign in. So we're going to go right here where it says create an account. You click there and then it's going to ask you for information. So you're going to type in your information. And then it's going to ask you to create a username. Now this can be your name or it can be something you make up. So I will try something like my name. And you actually have to add a couple of numbers because more than likely this one's already taken by somebody else. So I'm going to put this year, so 2018. And then I'm going to create a password. And according to this, it has to have 8 characters, or a word that has 8 letters. It also has to have some numbers and symbols. So do something that you might remember: your child's name. It can be your address, and then you're going to type that in, and then you're going to do confirm password. That means you're going to type in again, and then you're going to go to next, and you will have created an account, and it'll be whatever name you created. So mine would be Gaby Bustamante 2018 @gmail, and that's how you create a Google account, a Gmail account, your email.